Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Today we are going to talk about Figma plugins that can really save up a lot of time and can increase your productivity level on a very different level. So without wasting time, let's go to the computer screen and check out these Figma plugins. The first plugin that I will be sharing is called Batch Styler. This plugin is going to help you a lot. Let's see a quick demo. For example, I want to change like the typography that I am using in all of these styling. So individually, if I go and change this enter to some other font, I will not be able to do it. That is very time consuming and all of that. So what I'll do is I'll search here. I'll type Batch Styler. I'll get the first result here, or from the community you can get from here. Click on it. Once it is loading, now you can see all the 68 text styles are available there. So what I'll do is I'll just control A. I'll select all of them. Now you can see that whatever the properties that I am using, what I'll do is just to change like the like the family, I'm gonna use maybe let's use some other roboto maybe. Let's see roboto again. It doesn't have it, so it doesn't have the semi bold. We'll search here. It does have it, but the naming is different. So we'll just click on this one. It doesn't have it. See semi bold here. They have it all somewhere here, so we'll use semi bold. Okay, and for this one also, this one is the this one semi bold, and save. Now we can just update it, and it is updated. All the 68 text styles are updated in just seconds. Move to the second plugin. The second plugin that we have on our list is called Clean Document. To get this plugin, what you need to do is it's the same process. Just go to the the plugin market, or the community. Just click on the just search for the clean, and you will get the first one, basically clean document, something like that. Click on the the thing and run it. Okay, once it is there, you will be able to see that what this tool is like 5-in-1 thing actually. This will be able to delete all the the layers that are not you are currently using. It will ungroup all the single groups and everything. It will make your design pixel perfect. So if something is wrong with your design by point or something like that, it will be able to fix that. It will use the smart naming thing, and it will also sort out all the layers in a nicely order. So let's run this thing and see, let's see what it will do to this login page. Okay, I don't know, there is like let's open this. Like I did it by myself. I added all of these fake names, like fake naming, so that this tool can fix it. So let's do this. So the layer is fixed. Let's see. So now you can see it. Now it has this thing that auto layout vertical and all of that, and it has also fixed the other issues, the pixel thing, the problem with the, like, basically all the things. So the third plugin on our list is called HTML to design. This plugin is just game changing. Okay, the process is same. Just go to the community, download this plugin, or install this plugin, and click on Control P on Figma, and you will be able to get this little input. So let's search for HTML to Figma, sorry, to design. Click on that. For this demo, we will be using our own website, which is creto.design. You can just go and see what how the design looks. But for now, let's focus on the demo. I'll just click on the import. It is gonna do the scraping, some kind of thing. I don't know what it is doing, but it is very easy. It is just gonna now it is downloading like all the assets that my website has. And I don't want all of these for now. I can use the auto layout thing, but I don't want it. It's just for the demo purpose. So let's click on go. I'll just cross it. Now you can see the magic. I have the entire website design inside my Figma. Easy, like with all the assets and everything, like the logo, button, and all kind of thing. It is just amazing. So let's move to the the next plugin, and that is also awesome. So now the next plugin we have is called Dark Magic. It is not like dark magic, but what it is gonna do is it is gonna convert this particular design, this white design, in dark mode. So to do that, again, we will go to the community. We'll search for the plugin called Dark Magic. Yeah, Dark Mode Magic. Okay, just remember that name. Click on that plugin, but it will not work. I will have to select one layer so that it works. It won't work for now. See, no object selected. Just click on the frame and research that particular thing, and you can see there. Now see, the entire design is converted into dark mode. All the layers and everything. Again, this thing is not perfect, but it still does the work. If if you just want to see how the dark mode version will look like, it does not have all the it will not create the styling, the it will not change the, like, the color of every text. You can see, like, there are, like, this one is working, but the text color did not get changed for this one. It's like, there are some issues, but this plugin is good for the, the first view that you want to see of, your light mode to a dark mode. So let's move to the next plugin. The next plugin we have is called Iconify. This plugin helps you, download all the, beautiful icons. So to get this plugin, again, the process is very simple. Go to the community, search for Iconify, and for now, I already have this plugin, so I'm just gonna, open this plugin. Is basically, for example, I want to, download the icon of Apple. Maybe see, I have all the, oh, they have this also, beautiful. They have all kind of, icons that you want. Like they have this icon that is like a funny icon, but yeah, fine. uh, these were the five my favorite plugins that really helped me in my, UI UX journey. These were the plugins that I use every day. I'm pretty sure that if you use these plugins in your daily life, you will be able to, increase the, the productivity, and these plugins will help you a lot in your journey. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.